other side and just not sit close to you. But sometimes
Hello guys.
What's up, guys?
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Yep.
My name is Esther as always, and this is
I'm Daudu.
Eva Daudu. Okay guys, before we even proceed into the video, let's just give a shout out to everybody that subscribed to our channel. Guys, we hit 1K subscribers last week.
That's true.
Like guys, thank you so
Really
much for all the love, like watching our videos, subscribing, sharing our videos. Like, thank you so much. Way to go, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, so let's proceed into the video.
Nigerian couples that live in Japan.
Yeah.
So first of all, we moved to Japan about I moved to Japan first about 4 years ago. It's like 4 years now, and this is almost 4 years.
4 years.
So this is
this is like 2 years plus.
Yeah, 2
living
years,
in Japan.
months. Yeah, living in Japan for us. So today we want to be talking about
being black.
Being black in Japan. How is it like being black in Japan? Life in Japan with everything going on around the world. Black Lives Matters. How is it like in Japan being black and everything?
Yeah, we're going to be relating with you guys our own experiences being black in Japan, like everything like you need to know, the do's and like everything we've actually experienced personally, because we're not going to be talking for like everyone. We're going to be talking
specifically for us.
So
just go straight into it.
Okay guys.
Okay. So yeah, first of all, Japan is a very good country. It's a very good country with less blacks.
Very, like, guys,
less blacks.
Few blacks.
Like you can literally be in a place and you'll be the only black person in the whole area. Like in the whole area, you'll be like the only black person.
The only black
person in place.
Living there.
Yeah, I remember the place where I first came to when I moved to Japan, where I started working. I was the only black person there. I was the only black person, and the stare was so annoying. Like they just keep staring at you, like,
who's that?
Who's this? Who's this person in our village? Who's this person in our town? Who's this person? Kind of, but it's not like it's bad.
Yeah,
like it's not really that bad way.
They stare at you in like a surprise way.
In a curious way. Let me just put that.
Yeah, in a curious way.
Who is this person? Like,
oh, we have a black person living in our midst.
Yeah. So it's not like it's a bad thing that like that, but it's just like they just feel, I don't know, feel strange seeing someone black in their side. I don't know. Yeah, but generally when you live in Japan, like you mostly see blacks in Tokyo. Especially Roppongi. Yeah, last time I went to Roppongi, like number of blacks. I was surprised.
Numbers of blacks. That number of blacks.
Number of blacks I saw there. Very much. Oh my god, this is like Black Town in Japan. It's like blacks around.
And even the Tokyo part to talk about, it's not like everywhere in Tokyo.
You see blacks. Sometimes you go there.
And even as a black person, if you see another black in Japan, you're going to stare also and be like, oh, so there's a black person in Japan. Like, there's a black person.
Oh, really? Yeah. About being black in Japan, like about blacks in the numbers of black in Japan. But back to how Japanese see blacks. First of all,
how they treat blacks.
First of all, they have this I won't call it stereotype, but they have this. They don't have much knowledge about Africa.
Africans.
Let me just put out here. They don't have much knowledge about Africa. Now, it's not like as if it's a bad thing. It's just that most of them, I don't think they don't see anything outside their vicinity.
Yeah.
The only thing they see is Japan, America, and that's all. Yeah, Japan, America, basically that's most things they know.
They know.
So even when they see you as a black person,
they just assume
you're from America. Yeah, they just assume you're an American. Sometimes when you tell them, oh, I'm from Nigeria, they're like, huh? Where's Nigeria?
Where's Nigeria?
Huh? And you're like,
and then you be like, Africa,
like, popular, man. My country's very popular, man. But like, huh? Where's Nigeria? Oh, where's Nigeria? So it's like that. They just see and like, oh, we don't know where that is and all. So they kind of have like this. They don't really have much knowledge about Africa. But like we said before, they like staring. So and
if you get one or two.
Yeah, they stare at you seriously. And sometimes if you are new to Japan, if you are new in Japan, it's very annoying.
Yeah, it can be annoying.
Yeah, it can be annoying, exactly.
You're not used to the whole getting the whole attention of people
thing,
looking
yeah.
at you and everything. So it can be annoying. But like when you get used to the whole stare, and when they stare at you, just smile at them.
Smile at them. And they smile back at you and they nod.
Yeah, they nod.
Greet you.
They greet you. They just bow. Like, and
on the long run, even when they keep staring at you, they end up like you start looking like a celeb.
Yeah, exactly.
In Japan, they treat you like a celeb, like blacks.
They treat blacks like celebrities.
Like they treat you guys like celebs because you're like, we've not seen this special creature before.
Some even want to take pictures with you. Yeah. Like the picture part is just something else.
We've not seen this creature before.
Can I take a picture? Like,
so it's not like they kind of push you like no. And trust me, there are times that number I've been in situation in Japanese gatherings, especially in trains, and they don't treat you separate, different.
Yeah.
They treat you the same. Sometimes I sit down with Japanese, though sometimes I don't know if it's a bad thing or not. I actually don't care. Sometimes I sit in the train and when Japanese come into the train, they just like ignore your seat. They prefer sitting every other side and just not sit close to you. But sometimes, trust me, I think they feel comfortable standing. Maybe that's how I see it. But sometimes they come and just sit close to you and just like go, and they just come and boom, and they don't care. They just sit and like
Yeah, I just feel like it depends on the scenario.
Yeah, it's not a bad thing. I'm not trying to say it's a bad. It's not a bad thing. To me, I don't see that as a problem. I even like it when I kind of like it when that's discussed. I just like it's my whole seat. I just put my bag close to me. I'm like, yeah, I'm the king of the seat. But most times they actually sit close to you and it's no problem. But generally, they don't really have much knowledge about Africa, and so it's very, very difficult. Especially,
Boo has been in a gathering before that there were kids.
Yeah, I was in a gathering where there was kids,
and a little kid
and like we were told to like hold our ends, like form a big circle and hold our ends, and the kid was close to me, and the kid like no. So the kid just pushed like the friend to go. You just go.
Hold him.
Yeah, to hold me. So the other friend came and we held hands. So after that, when we were having lunch together, then I sat close to the kid, and the kid was just like. Then the next thing kid just asked me a question in Japanese because I can't speak Japanese, and kid's like, why am I black? Like, why is my skin black? And I'm like, oh, okay. First of all, I don't understand the question because I can't speak Japanese. So I had a friend, I had a friend there, so she answered the question. She speaks English and Japanese, so she answered the question like, he's from Africa and everybody in Africa are black. So then he now felt comfortable.
Okay, and then he started playing with him.
Then he touched me. Yeah. Then immediately she told him. He held my hand.
Yeah, he even
did like this. Like
this. There was nothing. Then he just jumped on him and started playing. I was like,
so immediately we became close friends and all. So that sometimes you just need this knowledge on. Okay, this is what Africa is. This is how their skin color is and all.
Yeah, they're different kinds. Yeah. And aside from that one, Japan is like very, very safe.
Very safe, yeah.
Very safe. You can walk at any time of the night. Just go out, do whatever you want to do.
Safe.
Come back 2 a.m. We've gone out we've walked taking a walk.
I've actually left my door open before. I forgot to lock my door with key.
Yeah,
and I went
back. You go out.
I came back and my door is still intact. My things are intact. Everything.
Trust me, you just go. It's really, really safe.
Yeah, really cool. I don't know.
And generally, it's safe. So, I've watched a lot of interviews on YouTube and other places about blacks being in Japan, and the one thing they keep saying is that Japan is one of the safest countries for blacks to live in.
Yeah, another thing is when it comes to security in Japan, when it comes to police and blacks, oh my God, you guys are celebs. We blacks are celebs when it comes to police in Japan.
Yeah, never experienced any form of...
Despite 4 years now, I've never come in contact with any police officer before.
Harassing you or something.
Not even harassing you, even talking to me like, hey, what's up? No, I haven't
they just
seen.
Go there.
They just drive past and
if they ever even have if they ever even get to have a conversation with
it's something good.
They just greet you.
Yeah, they just greet you.
If you guys end up standing on the same lane, for instance, sometimes I'm trying to cross and I see
they
a police
tend to
officer,
stop cars. They stop cars, yeah.
Stop cars. If it's a little bit busy, like a
road,
street where there's no traffic lights for you to wait and walk past or something, they just help you stop the cars and ask you to go, and then they give they're
very nice. No, trust me, the police officers, they are very, 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 very nice. I've had friends there's a friend of mine that lives in Chiba. He said there was one time he was having problem with his bicycle and he saw a police vehicle and he stopped
and helped him carry his bicycle.
they drove him to his house.
To his house.
With his bicycle. That's how nice they are, and they'll tell you thank you, free of charge, no anything extra, no settle boys, no nothing like Oga settle guys now, nothing like that. They'll drive you to the place, tell you thank you if everything is okay. They're like that. There was one time I went to get bicycle and we forgot to register the. They told us to go to the police to register. So when we got there, the police like, "Oh no, you don't register. You're supposed to register where you got the bicycle." And they're like, "Okay, should we leave the bicycle here? Let's drive you to the place."
Yeah.
Like you can leave the bicycle here. Let's drive you to the place so you can register and everything.
We had to be like,
I was like, "No, don't worry. You don't have to
stress.
stress. Yeah, don't have to go. We'll do it ourselves."
We'll do it ourselves. They had to. Or they were like, "Oh, okay, let us help."
They called.
Yeah.
I remember they called the place and told them like,
you
guys are supposed to do this thing to the that's how nice they are.
Coming back for registration and all that. Yeah.
So far, I don't think in Japan, I don't know. Probably there are people that have
experience.
Probably there are people that have experienced something, or there are Japanese that have different notions towards blacks. But generally, I don't think. In fact, there is a Nigerian that is very, very popular in Japan.
Yeah, Bobby
Orogon. Oh my God! Everywhere I go to, they're like, "Daudu, do you know Bobby Orogon?
Do you know
Bobby Orogon?"
Who is that?
I don't even know who Bobby Orogon is. Nigeria is not popular.
Yeah, the person is from your country. He's a comedian.
He's a comedian. He's very famous in Japan.
Okay, I don't know him.
I still don't know Bobby Orogon. I don't know him.
They just assume that, like, because he's Nigerian,
we
like,
should all
know him. You know him.
So
he's your brother.
Even on TV.
And yeah, and like, okay, so let me talk about like even getting a job in Japan as a black person. It doesn't matter like your skin color, as long as you meet up with the job requirements. They don't care.
They don't care if you're black, white, Japanese. Your all qualification is the same thing. If you meet up with the job qualification, which job qualification comes with N1 in Japanese or N2 in Japanese. If you can speak, most of the jobs comes with M1, N2. If you can speak Japanese very well, then you get the job. Trust me. Be
that's
black or not. I've actually cooked in a Japanese home before.
Yeah,
that's how sweet. Like I was invited, then they told me they want to try Nigerian meal. I went there with my ingredients and I cooked and we all ate.
Yeah,
we had a small gathering.
Right?
Yeah, egusi. I remember egusi with pando yam and all.
Yeah.
They called some of their friends, English friends, Japanese friends, Nigerian friends. We all sat there, I cooked, we all ate together, and it was really, really lovely.
Yeah.
Trust me, and they all enjoyed it. Yeah.
They're like always very interested too. They're so curious to
know more. Yeah,
like what is it like being in your country? Like if you like the fact that they stare at you, if you find anyone that comes closer to you that is able to speak they always shy away from foreigners because they can't speak English.
Yeah.
So if you can speak little Japanese and you find anyone that even talks to you trust me, you're just going to enjoy totally from them. Like they're so nice.
I trust you like celeb, like.
They're so nice, and like they can help you. Like you need something.
They can go extreme.
They can go extreme. I've never seen like
that's Japanese for
like
they go extreme. I don't know. To me, they are the best. Like when it comes to being kind in the whole world, I've not been to other countries. But so far they are the best. I don't care. I don't want to know. They are the best in the whole world when it comes to helping you. I don't care if it's from the bottom of their heart. I don't care if it's from the bottom of their heart. I don't care if they're doing it from their heart. But they're just the best. It's true.
Like,
they're
honestly,
just very best.
There's like so much we can actually say about like them helping and all. They just help. They're so nice. They are like that. They
go to the extreme. I'll keep saying they go extreme to helping you. Which is very, very cool.
So the downside of being black in Japan, for me as a girl, is that I don't get my makeup color in Japan. Like, guys,
because you don't have much black.
Yeah, you don't have much black. So I feel
my own assumption is probably because you don't have much black.
Like
we can't have more of these products because people might not buy it.
So trust me, guys, I don't get my foundation. I don't get my powder in Japan. I don't get.
For your hair, making hair also is expensive for black.
Making hair is like it's not about being expensive. It's about finding
who to make your hair is one. If you want to make your hair, for example, where we live now is like about 4 hours from Tokyo. Now, if you want to make your hair, you have to go to Tokyo.
Yeah.
To be able to get this type of your hair, and it's when you get it, it's very, very expensive.
Get your hair done or something.
It's very, very expensive if you want to.
Yeah, baby. Before I even forget, I have to point this one out, guys. My hair texture in Japan is like
it's gold.
Like they look at
my hair, it's like gold. Like they
look at my hair and they're always very surprised. Like they keep touching my hair.
Yeah,
like, can we please touch your hair? Like, how is the hair like this? Like, how is it like this? Do you get? If I wear wigs, guys, they feel like wig is like my natural hair.
Yeah.
But if I keep my natural hair like this, they feel like it's a wig. So like they come to ask me like, wow, is this a wig? I'm like, no, it's my natural hair. They just feel like so surprised. Like I remember going grocery shopping one time, and like 2 people in the store, they were staring at me from afar, and and like they had to come close to me, and I just looked at them. Then they spoke Japanese to me. I understood the Japanese they spoke, and then baby, stop distracting me.
I'm tripping.
I understood the Japanese they spoke, and then they were like, oh, that your hair is looking very beautiful. I was like, thank you. They're like, is this my hair? I said yes. So then I twisted my hair. So they were like, oh, can I touch it? How did you do this? I was like, I just twisted it. I didn't know how to explain properly. And then they were touching it. They were like, oh my god, this is the first time we're going to be touching a black person's hair. Like, this is so nice. Like, thank you for allowing us touch the hair. I was like, oh, it's okay, it's fine. That, you know, that day they helped me pack the things I bought in a bag. Like, I've never met them before. They helped me pack it. They were just like, oh, thank you. I was like, okay.
Yes. Even my hair also, they like, oh, your hair feels like sponge.
Yeah.
I'm like, really? So they just keep down. Please, can I touch your hair? Your hair feels like sponge.
Yeah.
I know. Yeah. So they feel like. I don't know, they just feel surprised, like feel like, really? Why is your hair like this? Why do you have this kind of hair? And yeah, that's another thing. And also when it comes to cutting your hair as a guy, it's kind of difficult because for Japanese they don't have experience in cutting black man's hair. So it's very difficult. I remember when I came to Japan, there's this salon close to my previous house I went to, and when I got there I couldn't speak, so I used my Google Translate. I was like, sorry, I want to cut my hand. The lady's like, sorry, she can't cut my hair. She has never tried cutting
this hair type
black man's hair, so she's kind of not confident. She doesn't have that confidence.
She doesn't want to
disappoint me. Yeah, that's how polite they can also be. She had to tell me she doesn't want to disappoint me. She's sorry and everything. So I just told her it's okay, that I don't mind. I know. I remember going like 3-4 months without cutting my hair. Until I finally found one that I've been using. Even after moving from there, I still go back there.
He goes back there because that one is very confident.
Exactly, that one is confident to cut the hair.
And he has been doing the hair. He has made mistakes. He has corrected it.
So I just keep going back to the same person, even though my person's place is far
familiar with the hair type now.
Exactly. So that's just pay much more money. She's very expensive and all. So those are just the downsides of it. Makeup, your hair.
Yeah, what else?
I think mostly that.
Yeah, I think mostly that.
Okay. Trust me, I don't think being black is a bad thing in Japan. It's very, very good.
Never really experienced
I don't know if anybody has, but even I've had friends that work in schools and they will tell you parents are okay with their kids coming close to you.
Yeah.
Parents are okay with their kids touching you, eating with the kids and everything. They're okay. So I don't think it's any problem in Japan.
I've really not heard. Like, I don't know. So like, if anybody that lives in Japan watching
watching our video,
please comment down below if you've ever had any encounter of
any
like racism. Not prone to having a lot of blacks here.
So they're free with blacks. They're free with foreigners in general, which is a very good thing for us.
Yeah, that's a good thing for like them accepting people so much. So I guess that answers the question about being black in Japan, our experiences, and yeah, if we ever get any bad experience, trust us to come back.
We'll let you guys know.
To come back and give you guys the full gist of what we experienced. But for now, for the past 2 years and some months, and for him, about 4 years now.
Nothing yet.
And
even from friends that have lived in Japan for more than 15 years, I don't think none of them has ever told me.
I don't know, none of them have ever told us about any experience or encounter. They've never told us to beware of something like don't do this, don't go. Guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video, and comment down below what you think, and like everything going on in the world, we pray everything comes back to normal again, and we just hope everyone just realize that
we are all the same.
So
forget the skin colors. Them deep down inside our heart, we're all the same. We love you. You love us. We love each other. We love the earth.
Yeah, and the killing of blacks should just like stop. Black life definitely matters, and every other life also matters. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video, share, and yeah, goodbye guys.